Welcome to our complete guide on the top 5 Linux distributions for beginners in 2025. Let's explore how Linux is becoming increasingly popular for new users. So, what makes a Linux distribution beginner-friendly? An intuitive interface, community support, and ease of installation are key factors. Let's outline the criteria we use to select the top distributions for beginners: user-friendliness, community support, and software availability. First on our list is Ubuntu. Features like a friendly interface and robust community support make it an excellent choice for new users. Next is Linux Mint, known for its familiar desktop environment that eases the transition for new users. Coming up third is Zorin OS. Its extensive customization options allow beginners to tailor their experience while keeping the learning curve manageable. Fourth is Pop_OS, perfect for those interested in gaming and development, blending great performance with beginner-friendly features. Lastly, we have Fedora. This distribution focuses on cutting-edge technology, making it suitable for those who want to explore the latest in open-source software. Now, let's compare these distributions. Each excels in user experience, performance, and community support in its way. This breakdown will help you make an informed choice. In conclusion, choosing the right distribution comes down to your needs and preferences. Each of these distributions has something unique to offer for beginners. Start exploring today.